Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cocktail umbrella at home full guide. Start by laying out all materials and clearing a clean flat surface to work on. Have glue, scissors, paint, and skewers ready. Measure and mark each circle precisely, because neat canopies make a better umbrella. Use lightweight paper for folding and water-resistant paint for durability. Turn on soft music to make crafting relaxing, and keep a small cup of water nearby for brush cleaning. Begin folding each circle into 6 to 8 small pleats, keeping folds even for a consistent look and movement. Glue the pleated center to the skewer tip, pressing gently until it holds. Allow time to dry. Reinforce the joint with a tiny paper collar or a drop of clear glue for stability. Finally, trim any uneven edges and test the umbrella by opening and closing it slowly to ensure smooth motion and balance. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more crafty guides. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite is perfect for reading pattern ideas and craft blogs anywhere you make projects. Its crisp screen and waterproof design mean you can keep inspiration at hand without worrying about glue or paint. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you grab one, enjoy those extra quiet crafting moments. Now let's get back to the video. Decorate your cocktail umbrella to match the drink or party theme by painting simple patterns or using tiny stickers. Keep designs light so the paper still folds naturally, and let each layer dry before adding another. Seal the finished canopy with a thin coat of clear varnish or watered-down white glue to protect against spills. Remember that subtle, balanced decorations often look best when paired with colorful straws or garnishes for a cohesive presentation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.